This Entrepreneur Spotlight is presented by Military Made, products from veteran and military spouse-owned businesses. Do good. Get awesome. Visit militarymade.com.
What we have is an authentic Trinidadian style pepper sauce. Non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, it's made with fresh fruits, peppers, and vegetables. It's a very tasty sauce, in addition to it having that complement of heat.
My family is from Trinidad and Tobago, and I grew up with my grandmother around cooking a lot, and I actually always hated hot sauce. And my grandmother made our pepper sauce, how she grew up making it, and I was blown away. My dad, who's also been a lifelong entrepreneur, looked at me and he was like, "You should sell this." We have found out that a lot of people actually have no idea what Trinidad and Tobago is, where it is, and growing up I never saw our culture represented on grocery store shelves. I never saw anything from Trinidad and Tobago. So we really wanted to bring that to people.
Those ups and downs, those moments of self-doubt.
A lot of the time it just feels like you're throwing darts at a wall and hoping something will stick.
Yep, it's important to just embrace that roller coaster. The value of perseverance and dedication and just kind of just pushing through even when the odds seem bleak. Your idea, it matters in this world, no matter how big, no matter how small. And so if you think you have that next thing, it's important to keep pushing through and to have that belief in yourself to make that happen.
Learn more at militarymade.com.